In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to easily run Android apps right on your PC. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials like this. We'll be using an Android emulator called BlueStacks to create a virtual Android environment on your computer. You can find the link to download BlueStacks in the description or the pinned comment. It's an affiliate link that supports the channel at no extra cost to you. To get started, click the link and download BlueStacks 5. Once the download is complete, open your File Explorer, locate the installer in your Downloads folder, and double-click to begin the installation process. If a permission window pops up, simply confirm by clicking Yes. During setup, make sure to agree to the terms of service. Once installed, BlueStacks may launch automatically, but if it doesn't, you can find it by searching your computer. For best performance, we recommend running it as an administrator by right-clicking on the app and selecting Run as Administrator. Once BlueStacks is open, navigate to the App Center, where you can browse or search for any Android app. For example, you can search for CapCut, click Install, and wait for it to download. After installation, you'll see the option to launch the app, or you can return to the home screen and access it there. That's all it takes to get started with Android apps on your PC. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.